Okay, Mateo, show us how you do it.
He's sort of not doing it right.
Now what? Now what?
Wait, can you turn it around? Can you do a 3-point turn? Or do you want it to come back? Oh.
Good job, Mateo. Yay!
You're a star. Here you go. You want to try again? Oops. Yay! There you go.
Yay!
Good job. Mwah. Oh.
Yay!
Yay.
Yay!
You're my star. You're my star.